Up until this point, we've been doing things in the van that aren't super exciting, but it's just parts that have to get done with the build. That's wiring, insulation. Nothing's really making us feel like we're getting anywhere with this van, but today that's gonna change because we received our flooring. There's a lot of ways you could do your floor. You could make a template and jigsaw everything out yourself and figure that all out. There's a bunch of kits on the market, but we've chosen to go with the Surge Supply flooring kit. Comes with subfloor, comes with an insulation frame. It is literally a drop-in place CNC cut floor that should really speed things up in this part of the build. This flooring kit from Surge is gonna run like about 3,500 bucks depending on the options you get. We have one that's set up for L-track here, but it may seem like a steep price, but what this is gonna do is just save you a ton of time. I'm talking a lot of weekends. No pulling out template paper or anything like that. This thing is perfectly CNC cut, ready to drop into your van. And the process should only take about like 5 to 6 hours. Quickly gonna run through that. I mean, you just have to rough up the surface of your van, make sure it's nice and clean. You're gonna put down some adhesive, put down this frame right here, and if you plan on running insulation, get a can of spray adhesive, spray it down, cut out your insulation, squash it into little pockets. Same thing, put some adhesive down, get your subfloor, put that down, shoot a couple screws in it, boom, you are done. What we're gonna do with the subfloor that we got from Surge is use that thing as a template. We are gonna roll out our flooring here, which we chose to use the Lawn Ridge flooring by Lawn Seal. We're gonna flip it over, we're gonna put our subfloor on top here, and we are just gonna trim that thing out with a razor blade. It will be an exact lineup. So once you have that done and your flooring's all in here and you've let it set for 24 hours to make sure the glue's nice and cured, you are going to get your newly cut out flooring and put some adhesive on your subfloor, get an adhesive spreader. It's got those little teeth and you're gonna kind of just slide that all around, make sure it's nice and even. Lay out your flooring from the back to the front using a roller of some sort to get all the little pockets of air out of there. Once that's set, start grabbing some weight. So if you got some dumbbells laying around, if you got some buckets, whatever, fill them up with some weight and spread them out all across this floor. Let that sit up for, give it 24 hours to make sure everything's fully cure, and then your floor is complete.